Hi, my name's Christine Thompson. I'm going to be singing a song by Paramore. It's called That's What You Get When You Get What Your Heart Wins, and I hope you have a bad day, I guess. No, sir, I don't wanna be the blame, not anymore. It's your turn to take a seat or settling the final score. And why do you let it hurt so much? I can't decide all the possibilities, well, I was wrong. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa, I turned in on myself with anything but this. So that's what you get when you let your heart win. Whoa.